Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of WordPress. Whether you want to create a blog, a business website, or an online portfolio, WordPress is a fantastic platform to get you started. So, grab your coffee, and let's jump right in. First off, what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system, or CMS, that allows you to create and manage websites without needing extensive technical knowledge. It powers over 43.6% of all websites on the internet. There are two versions, WordPress.com, which is hosted for you, and WordPress.org, where you download the software to host it yourself. For this tutorial, we'll focus on WordPress.org. To get started, you'll need a domain name and web hosting. A domain name is your website address. Like mywebsite.com, and web hosting is where your website's files are stored. There are many hosting providers, but I recommend MyResellerHome for beginners. Once you've selected a host, follow their instructions to set up your account, and choose your domain name. After that, use WordPress installation option through Softaculous 1. Click Installer. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be up and running in no time. Now that WordPress is installed, let's take a tour of the dashboard. This is the control center of your website. You'll find options like posts, pages, media, and more on the left side. Posts, this is where you can create blog posts. Pages, use this for static pages like about or contact. Media, here's where you upload images and videos. Appearance, customize your theme and layout. Plugins, add functionality to your site easily. Next up, let's choose a theme. A theme controls how your site looks. You can find free themes in the appearance section under themes. Look for a theme that suits your style. Once you find one you like, click install and then activate. Don't worry, you can always change it later. Plugins are like apps for your website. They add extra features and functionality. To add a plugin, go to Plugins and select Add New. I recommend installing Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, and Elementor for designing pages easily. Let's create your first blog post. Go to Post and click Add New. You'll see a familiar text editor where you can add your title and content. Don't forget to use headings and images to make it visually appealing. Once you're happy with it, click Publish. Congratulations, you've made your first post. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few final touches. Go to Settings and click on General to configure your site title, tagline, and time zone. Make sure to check the reading settings to set your homepage, and decide how many posts to show. You now have a basic understanding of how to set up and navigate WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.